way. A quiet sigh, another shade of gray. Your heart whispers louder than your fears. The truth is glowing through your tears. You hide the shine you hold inside, but it's a flame you can't confide. You are a star by nature, a spark in every fracture. Let the world see what's true. The light is already in you. The sky doesn't care if clouds appear. The moon still dances when the night's unclear. Your story's written in constellations, a masterpiece without revision.